Hello girls, today I'll tell you why menstrual cup is becoming so popular. There are a lot of options to choose from when it comes to selecting the product for menstrual period. If we walk down the supermarket, we will find sanitary napkins, pad with wings, cotton sanitary napkins, panty liners, menstrual underwear, tampons, sea sponges, etc. etc. Generally, we choose a product which is comfortable and can manage our menstrual flow. And these days, more and more women are often choosing a menstrual period cup. So let's see what a menstrual cup is and why we should try out a menstrual cup. Let's first know what are menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are small and squishy cup-shaped things that can be placed inside vagina. Menstrual cups should be placed few inches below the cervix, which is the opening of the uterus. Once placed inside the vagina, the cup stays there and collects the menstrual blood. The insertion of the cup can take some time to get used to. There are a lot of brands in the market, but I recommend Everteen menstrual cups. Everteen menstrual cups come in two sizes, small and large. Your choice of menstrual cup size would depend on the flow you experience. The large cup size is suitable for normal to heavy flow and the small size is suitable for light to normal flow. You should drain your menstrual cup every 8 to 12 hours depending on your flow. Wash it and reinsert it. Now, let's understand the benefits of using menstrual cups. Totally safe. Menstrual cups have no fibers or chemicals that can cause an allergic reaction or sensitivity. With menstrual cups, you will have no more odor, rashes or itching with your periods. The best travel buddy. Menstrual period cups are travel friendly and you do not have to worry about changing them too often like sanitary pads or cloth pads. The Everteen menstrual cup gives you a leak-free protection for up to 12 hours. Even if you sneeze, cough or laugh, there will be no leakage as Everteen menstrual cups will take care of everything. Say goodbye to nasty period cramps. Did you know menstrual cups could reduce your period pain? Everteen menstrual cups create suction while sealing themselves into the vagina and give you lesser cramps. Sets you free. Most period products can make you feel uncomfortable during activities like dancing, swimming, yoga or other outdoor activities. But menstrual period cups give you the freedom to enjoy your day as you wish. You wear the cup and forget about it for up to 12 hours. Worth a shot, right? So, go ahead and enjoy your outdoor activities and let the Everteen menstrual cup take care of your periods without interrupting your flow. Best investment. You can say goodbye to the piles of sanitary pads and regular tampons that you need to buy every month. Everteen menstrual cups are made of strong medical grade silicone that makes them reusable for up to 10 years. A good investment in the long run, don't you think? Say yes to this environment-friendly and pocket-friendly investment in your personal hygiene. Try out Everteen menstrual cups for your upcoming period and have a happy period. Everteen menstrual cup. Freedom to perform all your favorite activities during your period. If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen menstrual cup from the site of Everteen, that is www.everteen.co.in, or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.